and peaceful learning. Today is having activity. Let's start.
Having a good habit is like having a very important life skill. Habits are who they are. Habit develops a child's personality. To make a child's future bright, parents always keep striving to ensure that their child learns and adapts only good habits.
First good habit is wake up early in the morning. Brush your teeth twice a day. Wash your face, take bath every day. Comb your hair. Comb your hair neatly. Dress yourself. Dress up yourself. Do your work yourself. Say no to junk food. Eat only healthy food. Fruits and vegetables are healthy. Wash your hands before and after eating. Use a napkin to clean your hand after eating. Pack your bag neatly. Go to school regularly on time. Do your homework every day. Finish your work quickly. Play every day after your homework is done. While playing, you have to share your toys if you have friends or siblings at home. Clean up after playing. Don't forget to clean up your toys after playing. Exercise every day. Drink lots of water. Throw waste in the dustbin. Go to bed early at night.
Good habits allows them to reach their goals. The first step towards becoming successful is to develop a good habit within our kids. Habits set a foundation for their life. Habits also helps a child to lead a balanced life, and they are the key to a happy living. Good habits formed at early stage of life makes all the difference. Just like clay, a child's habit can be molded easily when she or he is young. With each passing day, they get exposed to various physical and mental tasks, it is easy for them to pick up habits. It can be good or bad. So as parents, it's our responsibility to make sure all the habits which our kids are possessing, because as adults, once they grow up, it becomes extremely difficult for us to change any habit. So we should make sure whatever they are learning at their young age is going to be a good habit. To inculcate good habits to kids, it is very important for parents to set up a daily routine which helps them understand what all activities they are supposed to do throughout the day, without which they will be left clueless. So as parents, it is our responsibility to make sure they do some of the other activities throughout the day, and then we should correct them if they are doing right or wrong. You can inculcate some very important good habits like reading books when they go to bed, or maybe helping parents out during the cooking time or during the laundry, things like this. These are all the good habits that a child should learn at the very young age, which will be helpful for them when they grow in later stages of life. You can also teach them how to do shopping. You can take them to shopping along with you, and you can teach them that they have to speak to the shopkeeper politely. So hope you have really liked this session today. So for those who are coming to our channel for the first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.